Tankless water heaters work very differently from traditional tank heaters, and this difference makes them uniquely vulnerable to freezing damage during cold weather. Traditional tank water heaters store a large volume of hot water, which provides natural freeze protection. Tankless heaters only heat water when you turn on a tap, leaving minimal water in the system when not in use. This diagram shows the internal components of a tankless water heater. The water inlet, heat exchanger, and internal passages all contain small amounts of water that can freeze when temperatures drop. When water freezes inside a tankless heater, it can cause serious damage. Burst pipes, internal component damage, reduced efficiency, water leaks, and complete system failure are all potential consequences of freezing. Many newer tankless water heaters have built-in freeze protection systems with electric heating elements and temperature sensors. However, there's a critical limitation. This protection only works when the unit has power. Winterization is the process of preparing your tankless water heater for cold weather. The basic steps include turning off the power and water supply, then draining the unit completely. Always consult your specific model's manual for detailed instructions. Remember, tankless water heaters are vulnerable to freezing because they don't store hot water like traditional tanks. While built-in freeze protection helps, it depends on power. Proper winterization is essential to prevent costly damage. The first critical step in winterizing your tankless water heater is shutting off both the power supply and water supply to prevent any accidents during the process. Next, you must drain all water from the system by opening taps and drain valves. Remove the inlet water filter and use an air compressor to blow out any remaining water that could freeze and cause damage. Insulate all accessible pipes to protect them from freezing temperatures. Proper insulation is crucial for preventing costly pipe bursts and maintaining system integrity during winter months. Important warning: do not add antifreeze to standard tankless water heaters as it can damage internal components. However, for RV applications, antifreeze is necessary and should be added according to manufacturer specifications. Thoroughly inspect your tankless water heater for any signs of leaks, rust, or damage. Early detection of problems can prevent costly repairs and ensure your system operates efficiently when you restart it. If your tankless water heater does freeze, never attempt to run it while frozen. Instead, thaw it slowly using a space heater or hairdryer, then carefully inspect for leaks before restarting the system. Consider installing a battery backup system to ensure freeze protection continues during power outages. Built-in freeze protection systems rely on electricity, making backup power essential for reliable winter protection. In extremely cold temperatures, you can let a small trickle of warm water run continuously. This prevents water from sitting still and freezing, but should only be used as a temporary emergency measure. Remember, proper winterization is crucial because freeze damage can be extremely expensive. Repairing a damaged tankless water heater averages $375, but complete replacement can cost over $2,500.